Hello guys, welcome back for some more Animal Crossing New Horizons. Not really sure what I want to do today. I think we'll maybe do Angus's house. Now that we've moved him. I did a little decorating off camera after I finished recording the other day when I moved him and was playing around with cliffs and stuff and being really lame in where I could and could not put bamboo trees. Hi, Isabel. Good morning. Yeah, I've only been awake for just about an hour, guys. So a little over an hour. Oh, good. I'm glad Leaf is here in case we need any hedges or bushes. So I'm not fully awake yet. Our dog got us up at like 2:30. My husband never went back to bed. He just stayed up for the rest of the day. I finally fell back to sleep and slept until like 7:15. Just feeling groggy. Oh, Scarlet. And Scarlet's unhappy. She's yelling at me. Got a gift from Drago. God, can you guys hear her yelling? It's hilarious. You know that tea is so popular that they named a whole letter in the alphabet after it. Nothing else is that popular, except maybe bees. Oh, and the C. Anyway, I got you something for tea time. Letters are weird. Thanks, Drago. And yeah, I did remember to buy some turnips. I only bought like 3,000 and I had to use 60 for crafting. Oh yeah, and the Happy Home Academy, actually, they like the walls in my first floor back room. I think that's the bathroom. Having one wall stand out from the others really adds something to the design. Thanks. They actually liked something. I really need to finish my house. Oh, I had a few shooting stars the other night too, not many. Let's see. Drago sent us a mug. Thanks, bud. Hey, I like the color pink. And then this will be more bamboo shoots. So let's put some stuff away. Gosh, I still can't get over all of the lovely green grass. So pretty. Yeah. And let's see. I'll show you guys the bathroom. I can't remember if I'm fully finished with it or not. Not sure if I like the song Drivin' as much with all the gyroid. With all the gyroids going or not. Yeah, that sounds better turned around. I don't know why. Yeah, I'll bury that later. I think I have a few I need to bury. Yeah, I only buy 3,000 turnips because I'm too lazy to clear out the top row of my inventory. So I'll go check prices, see what the little nooklings are buying them for. Yeah, I guess my bathroom is mostly done. We've got gyroids taking a little bath in here. I mean, I could put some more stuff up on the walls. But yeah, this and my kitchen are probably the rooms that are, I think, the ones I like the most. We need some music in here. I'll have to do that another time. I could put the little, like, speaker or something in here. We do have the ocean sound. Can't really hear it over the tub, though. All right. Hi, Scarlet. She's just sitting here on the sofa now staring at me like, didn't you just hear me pacing the hallway yelling at you? I know she wants me to go open the bedroom door. I just don't let her in our bedroom unattended anymore. There were too many late in the day surprises waiting for us on the bed that required laundering. Good morning, Dom. I've been okay. Soul madness. Phew, I heard shouting is a great way to work the abs. I also heard my neighbors were complaining. Yeah, that's why you're down on the beach, bud. Let's make our way over here. Put some fencing up and some hedges. I keep calling the bushes hedges. Oh, some fossils. Maybe I'll dig up my other fossils and kind of just plant them all in this area and then put on some clear ground cover everywhere else. Because I need to smash this rock and I need to find where our other rock is. I put some fencing and hedges up. I think you guys saw that. And we did this ramp here. And that's where Angus's house is now. And I feel like we should kind of customize his house. I gotta remember not to make it the exact same color as Paula's, though. I really like the look of this. The coloring, for some reason, this just really, I really like it. It's not the most creative of designs. I get that. It's very simple, but it's just the color. Something about that orange with these bamboo pieces. I even like the color of Angus's house, but I just kind of thought maybe I should change the style. But now I'm thinking not. Why does it have to be the same style? Put this here. We had Toby, is that his name? Yeah, from the Sanrio cards at our campsite. I'm not sure if I really like it or not. I just thought it was kind of fun having it there. We've got a little bamboo candle. You can see it more at night. A nice little place where he could come out and sit, watch the waterfall, get a little glimpse of the statuary next door. Let's go inside. I don't know. I might leave the exterior alone. I really like the color with this area. So yeah, I like his walls. I can maybe change the flooring. You know, I gotta do this to get the little thumbnail. What is he wearing? Oh my gosh, I forgot. I forget who gave him that shirt. Well, nice of you to finally show up. Gahaha, I'm just joshing around with you, McMoo. I want to chat. Are you okay, Chef? Because I heard you were seen burying some cash yesterday, McMoo. Yes, I've started burying money trees again. Don't worry, I ain't gonna dig it up or nothing. I just want to make sure you can really afford to lose the bells. Yeah, I'm okay. So yeah, I kind of just want to just change up the house a little bit. I want to keep his dartboard. So you might notice a thick layer of dust resting on top of my dartboard. I keep making plans to get fit, but can never find the time, McMoo. Is this exercise? If throwing darts is exercise, I'll get a dartboard. We actually used to have one. My husband wanted one when we were first married, so I got him one for his birthday, and then we never used it. So I think keep the dartboard, keep the pool table. Maybe he needs a cool little bar area with these things. So let's go talk to Tom Nook. See about doing that. But yeah, like I keep repeating myself, I think we'll leave the exterior alone. Do I have yeah, I've got some bells. Oh, gotta check turnip prices. This is one spot. I'm really happy with how it's starting to turn out. I even like it from a distance. Yeah, I'm going to move my last two rocks. I didn't plan on having them in this little area, but I don't like how this looks anyway. So I think where the bench and where this blue stone are, I think I can put the rocks here and still... Yeah, in such a way that I'll still be able to hit them and just have the scrubs back at my back to keep me from bouncing all over the place. Oh, there's Hornsby. He's got the zoomies. Gotta do my daily disco dance. Just in the mood. Get those creative juices flowing. This is my other happy placing game. Get that money spot later. Check turnip prices. I am finding that some areas around my plaza, like where my little festival disco spot are and stuff, are a little bit laggy. I don't know how people do it with when you have the ground designs everywhere, because that makes it laggy too. 88 bells, that's ridiculous. See ya. I think I have that sofa. That might actually be what is in my house right now, just a different color. Yeah, it is, so never mind. Bye, boys. I want to go check. I know I can check my phone app for seasonal items, but I need my bonus miles, so we're going to go check the Nook stop. Oh, they've got the zoomies. Oh, what's Drago thinking about? What do you want to do, bud? Pietro had the nerve yesterday to ask to move. I shut that down real fast. If I look busy, it's only because I'm trying real hard to come up with something to do to stay busy. Yeah, I know. What could be fun? Oh, he wants to come visit. Dang it, I shouldn't have talked to him. I'm gonna do it, you guys. I can't say no to my Drago, especially when he's in his little pink. Off we go to Wonderbud's house in his little pink raincoat. I forgot that when they're thinking, they can ask to come visit. Yeah, I do have that sofa. Come on in, bud. Look, there's your picture. I have to see whose picture I don't have yet. I have a couple in storage too, I think. We don't have Pietro's yet. Paula's, but she's pretty new. Hey, I picked this out just for you. Cat tower, thanks. There we go. All right, let's play a game. Knit hat, great. Ooh, that music's loud. Sorry if that's too loud for you guys. I'm tempted to say higher because I don't really want the hat, but we'll go lower. It's real tense, bud. 84, thank you. We got it. Thanks, Drago. You're right, we definitely should. Hey. What? I've got places to be. Hey, you could have just told me I'll head home then. I always feel like I've hurt their feelings or something. It's like I would have liked to have had an option of, it was really lovely visiting. See you later. Ooh, getting hungry. Didn't have breakfast yet. I just wanted to log in and see what was going on. Whoop. Stuck. Robin, we'll say hi to you later. Look at her with her little hat and glasses. That's adorable. Check the recycle bin. Nothing. Hey, let's check any... I can't remember. Oh, we'll probably start getting some St. Patrick's Day stuff. Still Pi Day pie, though. We already have that. Pretty sure I have that record. Thank you. Hello, Mr. Tom Nook. Let's talk homes. Residence home. Yep. There he is, Angus. I really like Angus. He's pretty cool. Oh, Scarlet, she's grooming. It's so gross. And that about covers it. What do you think? Are you okay in trusting Moxie with your home? Go for it. I've had a hankering for a change of scenery lately, so this will be perfect. I wish I'd talked to Isabel about his outfit. I like the flame t-shirt he wears better. He looks so cute though. Like he's skipping spring and getting ready for summer. Interior. Oh god, what? That word, I always slur on that word. Oh, baby girl. I'll be happy when you're done and you can fall asleep. All right, let's get down to business. Tell me what you have in mind. Okay. So, I like his stereo. We'll get rid of the Valentine gift. I like his plant. I like that he's got the ironwood table. Get rid of these pieces. We'll get rid of this chair I had in my pockets and he asked for it and I couldn't say no. Not sure how we want to do stuff yet. I want a different flooring too. I think I like the walls. We'll keep those. But just something a little different on the floors. Let's do a little tilty. I might stick with the red furniture too. I'm not sure. You guys know this takes me a while. No. It's really sad how many different options I have to look at before I find just the right one. Those will be too fancy. Well, maybe a carpet. Or one of these instead of the red and white checkered. Could do that. Let's check out some of the different colored carpets. Yeah, he had the red and black, so we could even go with more like that, but nah. Arabesque. Skulls is kind of cool. He's got kind of a cool vibe to him. Now we could, since he had the checkered flooring, we could stick with his theme of checkered flooring, but just go with the carpeted version. Maybe we'll do that. Ooh, no. Let's just try that out for now. Let's give him a leather sofa. We'll give him leather. Keep his furniture dark brown. I'm not sure if I like that on the flooring. We may change the flooring again. Because that's a little dark now. We'll see. Let's put his bed on this side. Then, of course, I have to do my standard partition thing. I think I'm starting to do like every villager's house, kind of the same. But, I don't think I'm going to give him a kitchen. Could do a different one instead of this. It just works so well for the space. Could even do a little kitchen. I don't know. If we do this one over here, but rotate it. It's a little kind of weird, but kind of neat too. This could be like a little office spot or I don't know. Keep his plant. Like I said, I want to keep it kind of simple. Keep a lot of his stuff. So he's still got his pool table here. Not sure if we want to keep it. Yeah, I think I like it how he had it. But maybe more in the middle of the room so he can walk around it. Let's see, or... that doesn't work. I was thinking I could put his stereo back there, but I think we'll give him just like a speaker next to a TV or something. I want to keep his plant. They always take away so much of their stuff. Ugh. I mean, it's not very practical, but what other? We could use the tension pole racks too instead. Maybe I don't know. Rotate it. I'd probably rather have that facing the living room. It's kind of neat. That doesn't offer the privacy that you need for the bedroom. So let's put the thing back that we had. Could even do that. Move this here. Rotate the dartboard. Whoops. That's kind of neat. I mean, he had it flush against a wall anyway, so it's not like he's any worse off. Oh gosh, there I go. Swallowing wrong again. Okay. This is pretty dark in here, though. But I'm not hating it. Let's get him like a little desk chair. I think this could be a fun little office space right next to his bedroom. I'm not worrying about kitchen and crafting and all of that because we all know they're going to use whatever they prefer, like whatever their default is. Now, all of this furniture is so matchy-matchy. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. We can change up colors and stuff once we have everything in place the way we want it. I feel like he would use a desktop PC. Put the speaker. Let's turn that on. It's very quiet in here. Oh, wait, I want to see what music did he have playing. It should show. Oh, that's right. He had KK Calypso. We'll put that back. I like to use their music. Yeah, this is coming together okay. And I like that pennant still, like right there when you walk in. Let's give him a... Can I change also the color of his bedding? No. Could lighten up the furniture or make it black, but I think we'll stick with the reddish brown. I'm trying to keep it his style. I don't even remember that he had a bingo wheel. Put that down on the table. Did he have a I gave him a gyroid for Christmas. I don't know why he doesn't have it. Uh-oh. That sounded weird. I hope that didn't come through on the video. I'm still having some graphic card issues. I think I'm just going to have to order a new one. I think that's what's causing my problems. I don't think it's my capture card. Let's go with just the smaller TV. We'll keep it black. Oop. Grab the TV. No, that looks silly. We'll go with the big one. I thought I could put 2 items there. But yeah. Bingo wheel seems a little out of place. I don't need to keep it just because he had it. Let's get rid of it. Let's put a nice cute little plant or something. We need some greenery and things in here. Am I going the wrong way for plants? Yes. Oh, and I want to give him a little bedside table too, I think. Here we go. I think we're just going to center that on the table. Let's give that a different colored pot. I was hoping there was red. Kind of boring with the color choices, aren't I? That's all right. We're okay. Let's see if we can get a nice little table. See how that looks next to his bed. Could give him back his antique mini table. Is there another antique? I think that is the only antique table except for the big console table. So yeah, we'll give him that back. I'm thinking maybe just a lamp. The rotary phone would be kind of neat. Yeah, I think just a lamp. I don't know why I'm going with this one. I don't think I will. That's a little fancy. That's a little plain. Banker's lamp's kind of neat. Maybe we'll put that next to his computer. We'll put the speaker on his table. There we go. I want to play with some different color carpets and stuff, guys. Sorry. This is so dark. Let's look at the wood floors again. Well, as I scroll down to all the other weird stuff. Yeah, that's all too fanciful. Because we could do something like this and then do some area rugs. Ooh, that's busy. That matches the furniture almost too much. That kind of lightens it up. It's kind of neat. I don't know. I think we might go with that. I don't hate the light parquet either. Can't decide between the two. Let me just fiddle with some different colors, see what I like better. I'm almost wondering if I put rugs down on like half the house, or a little bit more than half the house. That's too big. See, that was 5 by 5. Go back. Those were 3 by 3s. Half carpet, half wood? Maybe? It's kind of neat. I don't know, that might be a little weird. Maybe we'll just do the one big rug there. It's okay that I'm just trying to decide if it bugs me that it like overlaps. Let's try the smaller one again. I know I'm annoying with these. I know, I get it. I do like that that's a nice brighter blue. Maybe just the living room's carpeted. Excuse me, I'm like scratching my arm right in front of the microphone. All right, let's put some stuff on the wall and some lighting. I'm kind of digging this. Do we have room for another plant? Like if we were to move this one, will this fit over here? Can he still get by that, or is he blocked off? Yikes. Can get through it. Or we just reverse this stuff. Let's put the chair here. That there. That works. That's all right. Okay. I don't really want to put that flush. We'll just put it where I had it. Whoops. Close enough. Now we could even give him a arcade machine or something. We could give him a vending machine. Could give him the little cooker. I don't know that we want to, though. Let's see what it looks like there. That's kind of weird having it just a cooker there all of a sudden right next to a dartboard. Yeah, I want to keep that a gaming space. Fun spot. Trying to find the other stuff. Okay, where are you? Did I go past it all? Yeah, I'm not going to do a vending machine. That would be kind of funny, though. Where's the, like, arcade stuff? I'm confused. Go under everything. Oh, what's in here? What other... No, it's like, oh, we could give him a little bookcase or something, but no. Sorry, I'm quiet. I have to think. I mean, we could always do another plant too, but I think it might be fun to do something else. Oh, we could always give him maybe a foosball. Because these are going to be noisy. There's the arcade, combat. I guess that is all I have. That and a pool table. Alright. That doesn't work. I'm sorry, guys. Wasted your time looking for something and then I'm not going to use it. At least I think these are noisy. Oh, how about a pinball machine? That's going to stick out too far as well. Oh, maybe not. No, that works. Let's give him the pinball machine. Okay, now some stuff on the walls. Yeah, we'll give him the dreamy wall rack. I don't think so. I like the pennant, so I don't want to move the pennant. Let's give him maybe just some lighting above his bed. And then on this side too. Is that boring? It's maybe a little boring. Alright, fine. We're going to move the pennant over here. I don't know why I was so sold on it being centered over the wall. That was weird of me. I mean, I'm not saying fossils just because he's an old fossil. He's not. How about the fish poster? Where was that? Yeah. It's okay, not great. This is where I always kind of start to struggle too. Flooring and wall items. I don't know why I'm giving the radiator. I'm just trying to give the wall a little more interest. I did like that pennant there, though. Do the hanging wall planners. Let's do a lighter color. How does it look in the gray? Yeah, that's all right. I'm getting rid of the radiator. I didn't like it. Okay, so we'll leave those alone. We could put a poster or something up here. Cute. I don't think I like it, though. Yeah, it's all right. I mean, the plant's covering it a little bit, but that's okay. And then over here, do we have more sportsy thingies? Do another pennant. Ooh, the boomerang could be kind of neat. And over here. Let's give him the butterfly fish model. That's kind of neat. Could do something on this wall too, but not a lot of stuff speaking to me today. I don't know why. I'll put his photo on the wall. I don't know if I have his photo yet. There it is. Kind of high, but I want it to be lined up with the other things. And let's see, let's put the blue marlin. That's kind of fun. Put it up above the door. I think the light bulb sign would look cool above the sofa. Could even do two. As soon as I find the right two. We used that one. Okay, now some hanging lights, and then we'll be about done. And might not be my best design, but I'm trying to fit his personality too and not make it all pink and cute like I always end up doing with these. Right over the bed. Yikes. Well, it's all right. Okay, and then we'll do one more here. I'm getting a little tired of KK Calypso. I'm probably not the only one. I'm just trying to make this more interesting. That's a little more interesting. I can't think of anything else. Can he even walk around and come in and sit down? I know they don't really use the houses when we're not here, but yeah. Okay. I always give them a really big TV. I think that's everything. I'm kind of happy with it. I think that looks pretty good. Oh, see, my video card just froze again for a second. This is driving me nuts. I'm going to finish this video and then maybe do a little shopping for a new graphics card. All done. Okay, I'm ready to plan the exterior. I love how he just kind of takes a half step away from me to kind of look at the room like, all right, I guess that's it. No, we're going to leave the exterior alone. I like it. I like the coloring with what we've got going. Okay, this was a fun way to start a Monday. First thing to do when I wake up in the morning. Thank you, Mr. Tom Nook. Will do. All right, guys, we're going to wrap this one up here. Thank you again so much for watching. And if you like my videos and you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button. Help my channel grow. Help me reach my goals for the year of hitting 1,000 subscribers. And at 500 subscribers, getting my husband to play Stardew Valley with me on a recording. That would be so much fun, and I can't wait to do it. So anyway, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you have a great week. I hope Monday's not too hard on you. Take care.